Hey Flo fam, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be opening up these super cute paper squishy blind bags Halloween edition. As you guys can see, we have 4 different types of blind bags we're gonna be opening up today. We have Harry Potter, Five Nights at Freddy's, Coraline, and Halloween Squishmallows. And a couple weeks ago I actually posted a short on this channel of me making all of these blind bags, and it kind of went viral, guys. I think it has like 1.5 million views right now, and we've gained over 15,000 new subscribers in the last 4 weeks, I think. But these have been taking me so long, guys, because I made 4 different blind bags for each category. So basically I've been making 16 blind bags and 16 squishies, and I'll also be posting some more shorts on the rest of the series for each blind bag. You guys will see later on. But yeah, let's get into opening up all of these blind bags. So I don't really know which one to start off with. I actually love all of these categories. Okay guys, let's get into opening up this mystery paper squishy blind bag. Okay, so this one is gonna be a rare paper squishy. There's a little bit of fluff on here. Okay guys, so you can actually see the squishy from the other side since it's plastic. So I'm gonna turn it around and I want you guys to guess what kind of squishy it is. Okay, ready guys? I'm gonna turn it around in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So we got this super cute monster squishmallow. It's so cute. So let's get it out of its packaging. Yeah. So it's basically like this little monster. It kind of reminds me of Monsters Inc. Super squishy. And there's 3 more of these characters that I'm gonna unbox in my short series, so stay tuned for that, guys. Let's move on to the next blind bag. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Harry Potter is next, guys. I've actually been obsessed with Harry Potter since like 7th grade. I love Harry Potter, if you guys didn't know. Okay, so we got a comment. Okay, for this one, I'm going to open it up and then show you guys, not reveal it just yet. Or maybe I could do a quick turn like this. I want you guys to try and pause the video and see if you caught that. I'll do it one more time. Ooh, I don't think you guys got that. Okay, I'm gonna open it up in 3, 2, 1. Let's see what we get. Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. And we got Ron! If you guys didn't know, he is in the Gryffindor house. This is how he looks. He's so cute and squishy. My favorite character, if you guys didn't know. I don't think I've said this on YouTube before, but actually I want you guys to guess my favorite character. And whoever guesses my character right, I'll reply to you and tell you that you got it right. By the way, a clue, it's not Ron. So here are the 2 squishies that we've gotten so far. I think we're doing pretty good. Let's move on to the 3rd paper squishy blind bag. Okay guys, so we have 2 more paper squishy blind bags we're gonna open, and I think the next one is gonna have to be Coraline. Guys, I also have an obsession with this movie. I literally love it so much. But let's see what we got. I want you guys to make a guess on what you think we're gonna get, like the rarity of it. So just a reminder, we got a common for Harry Potter and a rare for the Squishmallow. So 3, 2, 1. OMG guys, we got blue for limited. Yes, we're doing good, guys. We're doing good. By the way, here's the bag. Took me forever to make. So if you guys have watched the movie, I want you guys to comment down below also what character you think we got. I'm gonna turn it around in 3, 2, 1. We got the cat. I can't remember his name. He definitely has a name. Okay, let's open him up. I remember loving this cat. He was so like mysterious. So here is how he looks. I don't know about you guys, but when I first watched the Coraline movie, I was literally so scared of like everything. I thought it was the scariest movie ever, and it's not scary anymore obviously, but I used to be terrified. Okay guys, so now we officially have the black cat for the Coraline paper squishy bag. We have this green monster squishmallow for the squishmallow bag, and we have little Ron. He's so cute, guys. He's so little and adorable. So these are the 3 paper squishies we've gotten so far. Comment down below which one is your favorite. But we now have 1 more blind bag to open up, which is the Five Nights at Freddy's one, and the movie like just came out like yesterday, so obviously I had to save this one for last because I don't know, it might be my favorite. When I was little, I actually played this game with my cousins, and I was like so scared, guys, as I was scared of everything scary, but like obviously now I'm not. But this game was like super scary to me, and I also remember watching YouTube videos of people playing playing the game. I liked it, but I was scared, but I liked it at the same time, but I was like also scared, but I liked it, you know. Let's see what rarity we got. Okay guys, remember it's like common, uncommon, limited edition. Let's hope we get something good. 3, 2, 1. We got uncommon. This isn't bad because the lowest one is common, and then this one's the next one, which is like uncommon. Again, you guys can like do a whole comment of like all your guesses and see which ones you get right. Let's see which Five Nights at Freddy's character we're gonna get. 3, 2, 1. OMG guys, we got Foxy. Let's open him up. He's a little scary looking. Oh, my ears. So here is how the paper squishy looks. Super cute as always and super squishy. And now we have all the squishies unboxed. Here are all of the characters that we got. These took me such a long time to make, and I'll definitely make a tutorial if you guys want of any of these squishies. I still can't remember the name of this cat, I swear guys. Does he even have a name? I don't even know. But we got the Coraline cat, Foxy from Five Nights at Freddy's, Ron from Harry Potter, and this little green monster from the Squishmallow Halloween Squishmallows. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it because it has taken me such a long time to make them. Stay tuned for when I post the rest of the series being unboxed. Comment down below which paper squishy was your favorite, or like which category was your favorite, and if you guys want a tutorial on how to make the blind bags or the squishies. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!